What is going on with the housing market? Boy, this Biden administration is something else. I cannot believe this crap. Check this out.
Mortgage rule goes into effect today. Jeff Flock live in Princeton, New Jersey, Princeton Junction, with more. Hey, Jeff.
Hey, Cheryl, good morning to you from lovely Princeton Junction. Yeah, it's not going to affect the house behind me, which is a pending sale. They already got their mortgage, but if you haven't got a mortgage yet and you've got a good credit score, I have something less than good news for you. Yeah, your fees are going to go up to try and subsidize perhaps some of the fees for folks with lower credit scores. Take a look at what the Federal Housing Finance Authority says about it. It says, and I quote the director there, who says higher credit score buyers aren't being charged more so that low credit score buyers can pay less. But we took a look at the numbers. It's kind of not the way it looks like. If you have a 640 credit score, for example, which is considered below average, and you put 28% down on a $350,000 mortgage, you were paying about $10,000 in fees. Now you'll pay less than $8,000. But if you have a 740 credit score, which is very good, you were paying less than $2,000 in fees. Now more than $3,000 in fees. And the folks in the real estate industry, both economists and real estate agents, say that's just not fair.
It's an idea of fairness. It's really, the responsible people who have done the right thing, who have kept their credit in check, they're being hit with yet another fee.
And Cheryl, it's not just fees, it's also a little bit of a break for low credit score buyers when it comes to interest rates. If you have a 740 credit score, that's not good because, in this example, because the fees for you are going up. And over the life of a 30-year loan could be as much as $30,000. Even former Obama administration HUD officials say, they support the idea of trying to help people out with low credit scores, but this isn't the way to go about it, especially now.
I can't make this stuff up, folks. I'm telling you. Again, this is a perfect example of our value with TheRealEstateExpert.Online. We can owner finance you with bad, good, or ugly credit regardless. Check us out down below. I got my website and my contact information. Let's get you the American dream. Bye for now.